are live and direct. Comron Creatives is live and direct for another tutorial. 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 D-I-I-O-Y. D-I-I-I-I-Y. D-I-I-I-Y. So we are live and direct for another tutorial. So guys, open. Let's start. Let me see who is first. I'm not going to make a promise, but let me see who is first. I'm going to do a giveaway for who is first to come online and shout out or her name on the chat box. I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to make this thing for today. Let me see who is the first to come live and mention his or her name and where he is watching me from. Yes, I'm going to surprise you today. I've never done giveaway, but I'm going to do it today. So let me see who is live and you mention your name, where you're watching me from. Okay, so let's go. Within 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my giveaway is gone. Gone. I'll wait. Okay? I'll wait and see who is live, who will be the first to grab this takeaway I'm giving today. I don't even know what I'm going to give away, but I'm going to surely give something. I'm going to give something. I'm going to break that yet. I'm going to break it. So who is first? If you're a man, you wear a cap. If you're a woman, you wear a cap. That means you're winning a cap. You're winning again. So guys, we are live. Never mind me. We are live on the rest. So come in, let's round up what we started yesterday. Network kick us off twice yesterday. So I didn't bother to come back the third time. So let me show you how far I have gone, what I have done, how far I will be remaining things that we need to do. Okay? So guys, open. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. How are you and where are you watching me from? How are you and where are you watching me from? And what is it by your time where you're watching me